sometimes the sound effects in games are just incredibly satisfying. Let's see if we can go recreate that. Right, my name's Gina, I'm a software engineer and I'm not a sound engineer, but let's see what we can do. Thanks so much for watching. Please follow me for more of my little game dev journey. Bye bye.